I have a pantry full of delicious condiments that I use on a regular basis, just like oyster sauce. But when my vegetarian friends or my vegan friends come over, I have to make sure I have an alternative. And this vegetarian oyster sauce is a fantastic alternative. It's actually made with mushrooms, so it really has a beautiful umami, savoury flavour. And here's a fantastic example of how you can use it. In a pan, I've been frying some potatoes and some eggplant. I'm going to add some mushrooms. These are fresh shiitake, so really meaty style vegetables, along with some spring onions and some julienne of ginger. We'll give that a toss. Some coriander. I'm using the coriander roots and stalks. There's so much flavour in it, so just finely chop that. The leaves I'll use to garnish. Sprinkle that in. I'll add my vegetarian oyster sauce, about 2 tablespoons. And there's so much flavour in here that you don't need any other sauces. Before we mix this up, the tofu, about 300 grams of silken tofu. This is kind of like mapo tofu, which is a combination of mince and the tofu, but the tofu and the mushrooms is fantastic. And give that a toss. I'll grab a fork and just break up that tofu. You just want little speckles of it throughout the dish. Look how glossy everything looks. Smells fantastic. All right, that is ready to go. Grab a plate. We'll just pop that into the center. Garnish with our fresh coriander leaves. I love sesame seeds, so toasted sesame seeds. Vegan friendly, vegetarian friendly, even gluten free. This is a dish that everyone is going to love.